How to make a rewind effect in CapCut Mobile easily. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So first things first, what you have to do is open up your CapCut application and choose the video that you want to rewind. Now tap on the video and then scroll until you find the reverse option. Tap on it and then the reverse effect will be applied to your video. Now what you have to do is come back, tap on the video again and tap on speed and tap on the normal option and then increase the speed to 3x. Once you've done that, tap on tick, and now what you have to do is go to the effects option, tap on video effects, and then you have to search for the glitch effect option. So tap on the glitch effect. If you have the pro version, you can choose any effect that you want, but for now I'll choose the free version glitch effect, and then that's it. The reverse effect has been applied to your CapCut video. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.